Located near the Dutch coast with panoramic views of the nature reserve, the Volume House by VLOT Architecten is a thoughtfully designed holiday home for a large family. The house features a central enclosed volume housing essential functions, which transitions between public and private areas with varied ceiling heights and thick walls. On either side, the living spaces embrace their natural surroundings. The north side bedrooms are nestled among trees, while the south side living area offers expansive views. Constructed using modular laminated wooden columns and beams, the house combines flexibility with sustainability, utilizing materials like larch, pine, and linoleum. Prefabricated components and meticulous coordination among subcontractors allowed for cost-effective and quality construction, ensuring the home harmonizes with its environment while meeting the family's